Hi, my name is Anupinder Singh.
Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Amantar Singh.
My name is Chitkara and we have just done this. We have done the 2 days workshop of design thinking and it was amazing. It gave me a clear idea of how to think of the user personas and how to proceed with the designs.
I would say this is an eye-opening session for me. Previously, I used to think about the problem on a very narrow scale. But after attending this 2 days workshop, I got somewhat information that how to widen the perspective and how to make an effective approach to solve a particular problem, not from a one particular solution point, but different type of solution points.
I get a lot of new exposure in the field of design thinking. So I definitely apply this process in my app. Because I'm currently working in iOS department, so I'll definitely apply it.
To basically build a good design for app so that the user experience can be better, or we can just look for we can think of a good design so that everybody is it is easy for everybody to use it. So yeah, it is a great workshop.
And then later on, find out that what is the right one to proceed for the actual implementation. So I think the takeaway for me is to have an open perspective for the problem and try to find out multiple solutions and narrow down to one single. So that is what I did.
This was an amazing eye-opening session for me. In design thinking, I learned a lot. I learned the value proposition canvas. I learned how to empathize, how to ideate, how to build prototype. And basically, the main part, the user personas, I really like it. It gives me real picture of my user. So that is the major beneficial part for this.